Good evening, viewers, and welcome to the news. Before we begin, a quick look at the headlines. Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee Chief Vincent H. Pala dismisses exodus rumours ahead of GHADC polls. Bihar Legislative Council member Devesh Kumar meets Sanbor Shulai to discuss recently passed union budget. Mairang police escort accused to alleged murder site in connection with murder of 25-year-old. President Draupadi Murmu inaugurates nationwide campaign Karma Yoga for Empowered Bharat campaign. Football for Schools programs held at JNV Rimbai to empower youth and instill discipline through football. The news in detail. First, the local news. Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee President Vincent H. Pala has refuted speculation of a mass exodus from the party ahead of the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council's elections. Pala asserted that the Congress remains intact and prepared to contest all 29 seats independently. Framing the move as a strategy to consolidate its base in Garo Hills, addressing concerns over recent resignations, he clarified that the departures were limited and largely linked to ticket aspirations, emphasizing that the party is election-ready and buoyed by renewed momentum after the Lok Sabha polls.
And those people who resigned, maybe a few of them, maybe the aspirant. I know them, they were in the NPP, they came to the Congress, they applied for a ticket. So the perception is that they may not get a ticket. Why? Because there was a meeting in the bloc. When the Congress recommend a candidate, it has to be first recommended by the bloc, then come up to the district. From the district, then it comes to the state. So there was a meeting in the bloc where they did not recommend their name. So the perception is that he may not get a ticket, that's why they left. So the question of mass recruitment doesn't arise. Of course, when somebody joined, definitely somebody will go, but the question of mass recruitment doesn't arise. Congress is always there on the ground. We are working very hard. That's why we said we have finalized all the formalities. Only we have to select. Once they declare when is the election, then we'll declare our candidates also. We are fully prepared for the election. And I think the NPP as on today is in the back foot. They are quite nervous. That's why you have seen one minister will keep one statement and the other minister will get another statement. So there's no unity amongst them. That is a sign of nervousness, a sign of there's no unity amongst them. But the Congress, we are fighting election with one voice. Except here and there, definitely is a big party, and in election, everybody is aspiring to be the leader. So maybe here and there, but that is normal, be in the Congress, be in NPP, be in other parties also.
Bihar Legislative Council member Devesh Kumar met Meghalaya Cabinet Minister Sanbor Shulai in Shillong to discuss the recently passed union budget. The meeting focused on the budget's key highlights and its potential impact on youth, women, farmers, entrepreneurs and the middle class, with special attention to benefits for northeastern states like Meghalaya. Speaking to the media, Kumar describes the budget as inclusive and forward-looking, noting that it reflects the centre's commitment to balanced growth, social welfare and economic expansion.
The union budget was presented on the 1st of February by Honorable Finance Minister Dr. Nirmala Sitharaman. So the BJP decided that the finer point, the good points about the budget, and the budget has so many things about every section of the society, the youth, women, farmers, entrepreneurs. So, and it has a blueprint for making India a developed economy. Our Prime Minister talks of Viksit Bharat. He aims to develop India by 2047. So it is a step in that direction. So we wanted to publicize, we want to inform each and every person of the country about the budget, how it will affect the country, how it will propel the country to reach a developed status. lot of things about the Northeast. You'll come to know about it tomorrow.
Police in Mairang have taken 3 suspects to a forested area near Nongthamai village in East and West Khasi Hills district in connection with the alleged murder of 25-year-old Kerang Saukme. Saukme went missing on February 6 while heading for timber work. Following intensive investigation, the accused reportedly led police to the site where an altercation is believed to have taken place, resulting in his death. Authorities confirmed the probe is ongoing, with an official statement from the Superintendent of Police awaited. The Minister in charge of Community and Rural Development and General Administration Department, Sosthenes Sotun, attended the first convocation ceremony of the Ribhoi Presbyterian Synod Music Institute as chief guest. The event marked the Institute's first formal graduation with certificates awarded in tonic solfa diploma, staff music theory, Khasi traditional music diploma, children's vocal training and lay leadership course. The program was also attended by Nongpo MLA and nominated MDC of KHADC, Matthew Makadok, alongside church leaders, faculty, parents and well-wishers. In his address, Sotun congratulated the students and praised the Institute's role in promoting music education and preserving Khasi cultural heritage.
Yaga yagi happy birthday baro yagi kun sama aba pijiet yaga music ka olong ka kun ka phang ka bro hame ka I tonic salva diploma lanika staff music theory diploma ki Khasi traditional music, but Kunju Naganta Kali leadership course. Masobanai Kijingero, Yakasinat, Pastor, Ibadan, Yakataka, mission and vision.
The District Legal Services Authority, East Janta Hills, organized a follow-up Ghar Ghar Mein Nyay Ki Jagriti program at JNV School, Rimbai, focusing on child marriage prevention under NALSA, ASHA SOP, and the Bal Vivak Mukh Bharat campaign. The event featured essay writing, questionnaires, and quiz interactions with 72 students from classes 8 and 9. Deputy Legal Aid Defense Counsel K. Chalam highlighted that this marked phase 3 of the 100-day campaign, emphasizing student involvement and awareness of the Prohibition of Child Marriage Act 2006.
We have already done phase 1 and phase 2 follow-up program of 100 days campaign district-wise. So this is the third phase, and in this third phase we have given a task to the students. Like mostly this third phase we concentrate on schools. So now it is only 2 schools we have conducted this program. Here we have JNB School Rambai and the other is in public school Lomchnong. So today we have conducted AC writing competition in connection with this prevention of child marriage. So I hope that every students enjoy. Okay, this is the task for the students, and I can see that most of the students participated in the school. And we, apart from essay writing, we also prepared a questionnaire for the students to see how much they are aware of this campaign, this Bal Vivak Mukh Bharat.
The Joint Action Committee of all Ribhoi passenger vehicles observed the 9th Meghalaya Drivers' Day at the Parish Hall, Nongpo, honoring the contribution of commercial drivers to public transport. Nongpo MLA Meralbon Aim attended as chief guest, with Riboy DTO I Karmon as guest of honor, alongside several dignitaries and community leaders. JAC Chairman Wandonbok Jirwa recalled the origins of Drivers' Day linked to an incident involving a fellow driver years ago, emphasizing unity and dignity within the driver community. He expressed hope that the state government will officially recognize the day. In his address, Same lauded drivers for their vital role in society, urging them to uphold honesty and responsibility in their profession, which he described as both a livelihood and an essential public service.
You're listening to the Negro program, keep up some patale, the Negro program, food, yaga, load, and travel, is so ini yang kan ini siapa nak buat siapa, makanya kita kan buat ini. Bata bagi buruk kita kan belajar. Ngisar dia kita belajar. Bagi buruk kita kan kita ini penting kita kami kita kenal kita. Bagi kongsan kunci nongnya kan ini drivers, drivers kita sih nongnya kali. Tambah nilai pengungkap pada tahap yang kecil, berharap bahwa yang penting kita, bahwa yang dalam kita mesti kecil, kecil kita kongsan.
The District Legal Services Authority, West Khasi Hills, Nongstoin held a rally and awareness program at Paryong Village and Paryong Presbyterian Higher Secondary School to spread awareness against child marriage. Students and teachers participated in the rally, carrying placards and raising slogans to oppose the practice. During the awareness session, legal experts El Nongrem, Didi Dengdo and P. Marwen highlighted the harmful effects of child marriage and explained the legal safeguards available for children's protection and welfare. The initiative aimed to strengthen public understanding of laws and support mechanisms to prevent child marriage in the region. The district administration, in collaboration with District Child Protection Unit, East Janja Hills, organized a sensitization program on combating child trafficking at the DC Office Conference Hall. Resource person R.D. Kinjing urged parents to remain vigilant about their children's activities, warning against false job offers, suspicious contacts, and online exploitation. She emphasized that family-level awareness, timely reporting, and community participation are crucial in preventing trafficking. The program highlighted the importance of coordinated efforts among departments and stakeholders to safeguard children's rights and strengthen preventive measures against trafficking. Let's move on to the stories from the Northeast. Preparations are in full swing in Guwahati ahead of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit scheduled for tomorrow. Authorities are making necessary arrangements to ensure smooth conduct of the program, with security measures being tightened across the city. The visit is expected to include key public engagements and officials' events. The Vaipai Women's Association, represented by spokesperson Pakhoy, staged a protest in Chucharanpur against LM Khote joining the popular ministry. The protest highlighted discontent among sections of the community regarding Khote's political alignment, with demonstrators voicing opposition to his inclusion in the ministry. The development comes amid ongoing political shifts in Manipur, drawing attention to local concerns and community reactions in Churachandpur. Moving on to the national news. President Draupadi Murmu inaugurated the nationwide campaign Karma Yoga for Empowered Bharat, emphasizing the need for ethics alongside economic and technological progress. In her address, she noted that while economic growth fosters prosperity and technological advancement drives innovation and efficiency, development without ethics can create societal imbalances. The campaign aims to inspire citizens to embrace Karma Yoga, selfless action rooted in values, as a foundation for building a prosperous and balanced nation.
किसी भी देश के संतुलित और समग्र विकास के लिए भौतिक प्रगति में नैतिकता और आध्यात्मिकता के समायोजन अत्यंत आवश्यक है। आर्थिक प्रगति से समृद्धि बढ़ती है तथा तकनीकी प्रगति, नवाचार, दक्षता और प्रतिस्पर्धा को बढ़ावा देती है। ये एक समृद्ध राष्ट्र की नींव रखते हैं, लेकिन नैतिकता विहीन आर्थिक और तकनीकी विकास समाज में असंतुलन पैदा कर सकते हैं। उदाहरण के लिए अनैतिक आर्थिक प्रगति से धन और संसाधन का केंद्रीकरण हो सकता है, पर्यावरण को क्षति हो सकती है, समाज के कमजोर वर्गों
Narendra Modi signed his first set of decisions from Siva Tirath, reflecting the spirit of Siva and touching every section of society. Key initiatives include the launch of the PM Rahat scheme, doubling the target of Lakpati Didis to 6 crore, expansion of the Agriculture Infrastructure Fund to Rs 2 lakh crore, and the introduction of Startup India Fund of Funds 2.0 with a corpus of Rs 10,000 crore. The decisions aim to benefit women, youth, farmers, entrepreneurs and vulnerable citizens, underscoring the government's commitment to inclusive growth and empowerment. Let's look at international news. A high-level Israeli delegation will participate in the India AI Impact Summit 2026, beginning on February 16 in New Delhi. The Israeli embassy announced, led by Ilan Fluss, former ambassador and EDTS policy coordinator at Israeli Ministry of Foreign Affairs. The team will include senior officials, technology leaders, researchers, and policy experts. The visit aims to strengthen India-Israel cooperation in artificial intelligence, climate resilience, ESG investment, digital governance, and responsible innovation.
हम जरूर बात करेंगे। अगले महीने इंडिया एआई इम्पैक्ट समिट होने जा रही है। इस समिट में दुनिया भर से, विशेषकर टेक्नोलॉजी के क्षेत्र से जुड़े एक्सपर्ट भारत आएंगे। यह सम्मेलन एआई की दुनिया में भारत की प्रगति और उपलब्धियों को भी सामने लाएगा। मैं इसमें शामिल।
And coming up are the sports news. The Football for Schools program was organized at JNV School Rimbai to empower youth and instill discipline through football. As part of the initiative, 112 FIFA footballs were distributed to 29 schools across East Janja Hills district. The event, held under the Ministry of Education, FIFA for School and AIFF, featured a lamp lighting ceremony, cultural performances, a student success story and a friendly match. Chief guest DSEO R.K. Dingdo highlighted football's role in teaching teamwork, discipline and perseverance, while Principal Dr. Rajkumar expressed hope that the program would nurture resilience, unity and physical fitness among students.
This initiative is a testament to the power of sports in shaping young minds and promoting holistic development. Football, in particular, teaches valuable life skills like teamwork, discipline, and perseverance. I'm pleased to see the enthusiasm and excitement on the faces of our students. I'm confident that this initiative will inspire more students to take up football and pursue their passion for the sport.
And now for the weather report. First, let's take a look at the weather report in Tura. Minimum temperature 14 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 25 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 45%. Moving on to Shillong, minimum temperature 9 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 19 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 44%. Meanwhile, in Juwai, minimum temperature 9 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 21 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 41%. And the focus in Tura, Shillong and Juwai says clear weather most likely to occur. Before we conclude, here's a recap of the headlines. Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee Chief Vincent H. Pala dismisses exodus rumours ahead of GHADC polls. Bihar Legislative Council member Divesh Kumar meets Sanbor Shulai to discuss recently passed union budget. Mairang police escort accused to alleged murder site in connection with murder of 25-year-old. President Draupadi Murmu inaugurates nationwide campaign Karma Yoga for Empowered Bharat campaign. And Football for Schools programs held at JNV Rimbai to empower youth and instill discipline through football. Well, viewers, that's all we have in today's edition of the news. Do join us again tomorrow with more updates. Have yourself a good night.